Hello, Drew here with Action Millionaire. Welcome to my channel. All right, today I'm going to be talking about the new social media rage, which is called MeWe. So many of you might know that right now Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube are basically are censoring a lot of their posts due to the election and due to COVID-19. And a lot of people are not being heard on there because a lot of posts are being taken down. So this is a new social media platform that people are switching to in order to make themselves known and make themselves heard. So this is their main page, and it says right here: the social network built on trust, control, and love. And we'll see how long that lasts, because that's how Facebook started out, and people were able to post things for a while, but now people's freedom of speech and people's rights are being stepped on. So I actually created an account with them, and I actually haven't posted anything yet, but I mean, it's fairly easy. It's basically how you log in, or you sign up for any social media platform. You just basically have to have a username, email, phone number, password, be over the age of 16. Yeah, and so this is what they're saying: your private life is not for sale. No ads, no spyware, no BS. Like I said, time will tell, and we'll see how this social network works out, and this social platform works out, because we've seen social platforms over our last decade or decade and a half, or however long we've been doing this, how they've started off pretty open about everything that you share, and then as time goes on, they have a lot of restrictions, and they put a lot of bans on a lot of things as far as freedom of speech, what you want to talk about. And we're seeing this more than ever now because, like I said, of the election, of COVID-19, just a lot of opinions and a lot of, let's say, drama going on. I want to say that's probably the best word for what's going on right now. It's just a lot of politics and different opinions and different thoughts, different just differences all over the world. But yeah, I might try this out, and so let's see. Let me log in really quick and see if I haven't posted anything yet, but it's pretty similar to Facebook. And like you can see here, there's a lot of posts about how Facebook is censoring a lot of things. Big tech censors President Trump. So it is a very conservative. I would say it leans towards the right a lot as far as being a conservative social media platform. So yeah, I'm probably going to come on here and see what people are talking about, and maybe join some groups, because they do have groups, they do have pages. You can do a page like you do on Facebook. You can do a group on here, depending on what your niche is and or who you want to hang out with. Yeah, it's pretty similar to Facebook, like I said. And then they have a MeWe store. I haven't really dove into that much, but yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and just show people what I found out about it, and what I think it's all about. And I think it's probably going to be a pretty good social media platform for now. We'll see, like I said, if anything changes down the road. We'll definitely see. Time will tell. But thanks for joining me on my channel, and like always, like and share this video if you do like it, and please comment if you have any questions down below, and remember to subscribe to my channel. All right, I will see you on the next one.
If you want to take action in your life today, please click the link below in the description. Remember to like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell for future videos.